listen to me.
What is wrong with you? How dare you? So it's because of that girl you've been lying to me all this while. I asked you about her and you told me you just helped her with a log of wood. No wonder she called you a powerful man. She meant to be so powerful, right?
My love, I am so shocked. I don't even know what she's talking about. I'm shocked about the whole thing.
She cooked for you. Huh? She cooked for you and you were busy eating it. Chinedu, I have been cooking for you for many years now. Are you not satisfied? I've been gonna go long throat because of food. Is that food that will kill you? That food that is going to kill you? Rubbish! Don't you ever stop me on the way to talk about this rubbish again. My mother was right about you. She was right about you. You are just a big disappointment. You are just a wicked man.
My love, don't
let
the devil divide us. I didn't do anything. I didn't impregnate her. I didn't impregnate her now. I didn't impregnate her.
I don't see what you got to do. Don't you ever follow me again, no? Don't follow me, let me not break your head.
I didn't impregnate her.
I don't know what to disrespect me. What does she have that I don't have? If she has this, I have it. If you have one of my father,
if you marry Madu, if you marry Madu, look at what you did to her. Just look at what you did to her.
Mama, it's Chinedu.
Chinedu? Is he dead?
No, Mama.
What happened? If he's not dead, what is the problem? Why are you crying?
Mama, a girl came to Chinedu's house and accused him of impregnating her.
You are joking, right?
How can I joke with such a thing, Mama? I trusted Chinedu so much.
Hey! I knew it. I knew it all this while that it is not good for you. I never trusted him. I hate to say that. I know he will disappoint you. I know he's not good. You see, what an elder sees while sitting down, even if a child climbs on an iroko tree, he will not see it. I knew all this while. Chineke, he's not good.
Mama, I am so sorry I didn't listen to you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Forgive me.
Don't worry. Thank God at least you have learned your lesson. Go in a hard way, and it's better than not. He's not worthy of your tears. Don't cry. Don't waste your tears on him. He doesn't want it. No, he doesn't want it. A better man will come.
Mama, allow me to waste the tears for him.
No, he's not worth it. Hey!
Yes, sir. Or maybe it's not going to
Hey, what's the guy? Hey! Hi! Thank you. Thank you. So, this is a lot of you. How? Kiss. You're going to go to the
Talk to Mama now.
Mama, this is our home. My husband bought it.
Hey! Kiss it! Kiss it! Within a year, you bought this house. Oh my God. Please, I'm on a village in Nigeria. I was thinking how both of you could go. Eh? And later both of you were really large. Who may be your former? Hi.
Mama, you see, I am sorry for everything, okay? We had no option and to leave, but I'm sorry the way we left. But I thank God for everything. Today, we are.
Mama, enough of the hey, let me take you to your room so you can eat something.
Thank you. Kissing me. Kissing me. I don't do no more. I love the way you look now. And Azokwa.
Mama, business is very fruitful.
That's good. I heard Margaret refer to you as our husband. Did both of you get married without my knowledge?
Mama, it's not so, but we've decided to adopt that position. Mama, I know, but what do I do? I've made an attempt to go see the father, but we were chased out of the palace.
That reminds me. She was pregnant when both of you ran away.
Yes, she was, but we lost the baby.
Hey.
You know, my girl has had 3 miscarriages in 7 months.
Hey. That means something is wrong with her womb.
No, Mama, nothing is wrong with her because we've been to several hospitals and the test results came out the same. Okay? Nothing is wrong with us.
So what is the problem? Because there must be a problem.
I don't know.
Hi.
No.
3 miscarriages. That is too much. That is too much.
Ego, my love. My love, I know you can hear my voice. Please come, let me talk to you. Ego. Ego Ibom.
You again. What do you want from my daughter? Are you not tired of demonizing her? Why can't you go to the woman you impregnated?
No, I didn't do it. She's lying. I don't know what she's talking about.
Don't worry. We know about it. His own story. So this is not the first time that men will impregnate a person and deny it.
Mama, I swear with my life, I didn't do anything with that girl. I don't even know her.
Which life are you talking about? Eh? Which life? Do you have any life not to talk about it?
I don't know how to explain this thing to you. Mama, I didn't do anything to her. Please, let me talk to Ego. I know you should understand me. Please, let me just talk to her.
For your information, my daughter will have nothing to do with a stupid, useless, senseless vagabond like you. You know, yeah? We're not going to
Mama, Mama, please. Please, you're not making what for. Please, let me just talk to her. Even if it's just this one more time. Biko, let me just speak to her. Biko.
It's one more time.
Yes, Mama.
You promise me you won't take it back.
Okay.
You promise me that this will be the first and last time you will come here. Not to talk of us doing anything with my daughter.
I promise, Mama. Let me just speak to her. Biko.
Once.
One more time, Mama.
After this time, you will not come here again.
Yes, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
You would have come back. You would have stayed here. Now. What is it? Can't you just let me be?
How can I, Ego? How can I? You and I, we have a serious bond.
Whatever bond we share has been broken.
Just like that? Ego, I love you. I love you.
Chinedu, you love me. If you know the meaning of that word you just said, you would never betray me.
Ego, I didn't betray you. I didn't betray you. Listen, that girl is lying. She's lying.
Chinedu, so a girl will come out from nowhere, carry a big lie and put on top of your head if you have nothing in common.
Okay, fine. I went to her house, but on her invitation, no. Yes. And when I got there, she tried to lure me, but I didn't fall for it.
Chinedu, so now you agreed that you went to her house. You even entered her room. That was where she wanted to lure you. Are you sure you people did not do the thing?
We didn't do anything, no.
Please, Chinedu, just mind yourself. Today should be the first and last time you see me on the road and stop me to talk about this rubbish. See, the bond we share has been broken. Fool.
How will I explain this thing to you now?
Follow you. She loved you. But you were busy going to her room that time. You did not know that I was there. You are following me up and down. Don't follow me again, no.
What kind of problem is this? I didn't do anything, no. I didn't do anything, no. Eh?
What? What do you mean what? What do you mean what? After destroying my relationship, you stand here to ask me what? How did I even offend you? How did I offend you? And my job would take inko. I can make up a woman that very day. And my job would take inko this girl. How did I even impregnate you? But artificial insemination or what?
You can say whatever you want to say, Chinedu. All I know is the child I'm carrying is yours. And the earlier you start saving for the child, the better for you.
You are mad. You must be very crazy.
Oh, you don't know. Wait till I'm ready for the antenatal care. And I ask for money you don't give me. Then you will know what craze is.
What kind of a devil is this?
Don't you go to the How did I impregnate you, okay? I don't understand. Okay, what is it?
So you're going to get married to another man just like that?
What is wrong with you, Chinedu? If I am getting married to another man, is it your business? It is none of your business. Mind your business, Chinedu. I thank God for opening my eyes to see the kind of a man that you are. I've been wasting my life all these years loving a misfit like you.
You call me a misfit? Me, ego.
You are worse than a misfit. You are wicked. You are a chameleon. See, let me tell you, mind your business. No woman in her right senses would even want to be with a local man like you, a poverty-stricken man like you. So take your poverty-stricken self out of my father's house and do not bring yourself here again. You know, if my mother sees you, she will be tough on you. So get out.
Are you okay? Are you alright?
Don't you dare touch me again.
You're pregnant already.
Leave my father's house and do not come back here again. Leave! Leave! I said you should leave!
Negode, if he marry madu, ewa. Negode, if he marry madu, ewa. Look at
You mean to tell me that it's kissing the place today that used to jump from one bush to the other in search of rabbits, mouse, is the one that bought all these expensive things for you?
Do everything. If I am this is my head.
Hey!
I am as surprised and shocked as you are. I'm not working, kissing the one time. It's very easy. Hey!
If you enter his compound, any type of car you want is there, any color, Emma, Kingsley, I'm telling you. He even asked me to carry one. See, I'm back.
One what?
Car. I should go with one car. See, I'm back.
Kingsley. How could you?
What am I doing with it?
How could you reject a car gift from your son?
Hey, what am I doing with it? I don't need it. Where will I go to? Am I going to anywhere? I'm not going to anywhere with it.
Hi,
yeah.
You're not going to anywhere with it.
Chakwa.
What of August meeting? Going to the market? Or visiting friends? You would have collected it and give to me. I need it.
Hey!
I need it. Hey. Did he give you money?
Yeah. In Ajukwa. 300,000. Odamianaka die.
300?
Bam.
Why you? Makandoshi. 300,000.
Go bunyemu.
Hey!
Organize.
When will my own turn reach? I envy you a lot.
Don't envy me. Don't worry. Your own time will soon come.
When will my own time come? When? Look at Ego, my daughter. Is it not from her that God's supposed to bless me? But look at her, following one village tout.
One village stout, instead of following all these big men, I have to drag her out of that useless and hopeless relationship. Yes, so that she can follow big men.
How did you do that?
Chill down. It's a story for another day.
That reminds me. What about your son's wife? I remember she was pregnant before they left the village.
Nelly, she lost that pregnancy. And since then, she has lost like 3 pregnancies.
What is wrong? Is she a bloodsucker?
I asked Kingsley, but he came in defense of his wife. You know he loves his wife.
Anyway, that is normal. But in a case, you have to do something. You don't have to sit down, fold your hands, and watch things go from bad to worse.
How do you understand?
What I mean is, you have to seek for a solution. This thing is not ordinary.
From who?
Don't worry. I will take you to a place where all your problems go.
Here. Mama,
I'm serious about what I can say. I'm not playing you. Remember, you have to make the hay while the sun shines.
Think about it. About it fast.
There is no time. Just 3. You have to do something. Hurry!
Trouble everywhere.
What trouble?
Your supposed daughter-in-law is the princess of Onny. She is under a curse.
A curse? From who?
A curse from her father. The curse is meant to block her womb.
Why will a father curse his daughter?
That is not the right question to ask. The question is, where does the blood of a child flow to? She has a spiritual husband. Yes. A man from a married kingdom is married to the princess. He is the one making it impossible for her to bear a child.
Oh. What is the solution to this? Huh?
I know my son. He will not believe this. He loves his wife so much.
Amuche, from what Nkenke he said, do you think that love is real? Eh? Because your son is under a spell. He don't know what he is doing. And according to Nkenke, it is only his concussion that will make your son's eyes to open.
Hey. I don't want anything to happen to my son.
Nothing is going to happen to your son. Nothing will go wrong. Eh? The only thing you have to do here is to invite your son down to the village. You explain things to him. That girl is not his wife. Eh? Yes.
If that girl is not his wife, who then is? Onyeze?
Amuche, have you forgotten? There is no way her father will accept your son's hand in marriage. And according to Nkenke, if care is not taken, very soon your son will start losing his wealth. Huh? And after that, he will start losing his brain. Hey! So, do you want your son to be mad? So why don't you do the necessary thing? Act fast. I have said my own. Anam.
Hello, Nam. How are you? I'm not fine. It is not something we can discuss over the phone. You gotta try Kenata village. Try Kenata. This weekend is okay by me. I'm going to bad area. No problem, okay. Good night.
You have to listen to me.
Mama, I should listen to you. Do you know what you're asking me to do?
Butu, I am your mother. I know what is good for you. This is the only opportunity you have to grab something meaningful out of life. Just look at our situation. Do you like it?
Mama, what is wrong with our situation? We are okay, we are fine. Why is it always our situation grab what, Mama? So you want me to go and get married to a married man? I should go to a peaceful home where a woman is happy and destroy it. I cannot do that, Mama.
That is not the issue here. Kingsley is not married. The father of the girl has sworn not to give approval, not to accept Kingsley's hand. So if you accept to marry Kingsley now, you will be his only legal wife. That is it. Yes, they are not married yet.
Mama, what if he doesn't like me? What if he doesn't want me?
Allow me to worry about that. Forget about it. The only thing I want to hear from you now is your readiness to accept him. You leave every other thing to me. Ego. Ego, what is the problem?
Mama, I think the food I ate last night did not digest.
Stop. Look at me. I said, look at me. Ego, you are pregnant.
Ajunebumu, I'm dizzy. Pregnant? Huh?
You're not saying, huh? I said you are pregnant.
I am not pregnant, Mama. I am not.
Will you shut up your mouth? I am your mother. I gave birth to you, not the other way around. Hey, Ego, what did I do to you? Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to us? Where did I go wrong? So despite all my warnings to you, you still went behind me and slept with that useless boy called Chinedu.
Ma, I did not sleep with him.
Hey, Chimo.
If truly I am pregnant, it happened before I broke up with him.
Hey!
I've not been sleeping with him.
What will I do now? You said since you broke up with him, you've not slept with him.
No, Mama. It happened before I broke up with him.
Does he know about this pregnancy?
No.
It's okay. Listen, he must not know about this. And no one else must find out about this. You have to keep it to yourself. If anyone finds out, our plans are ruined. Yes, and you know what it means. Do you understand?
Oh, Mama, no, Mama, no, Mama, I don't like this. Mama, why now? Eh? Is this why you asked me to come down to the village? Mama, why? Is this the urgency you're talking about?
Kinsley, I can't deceive you. Kinsley, you're my only child. Eh? Kinsley, when you told me about the series of miscarriages, I knew something was wrong and I went out to find.
Mama, whoever that told you that is insane. Yes, that person is insane. My wife is not under any curse. This is just superstitious.
Kinsley, it is not. Kinsley, I know you love her. I love her too. She is my daughter-in-law. Eh? Kinsley, we have to do something about this. We can't just turn blind eyes. It's not possible. We have to do something about it. Eh?
Mama, I am not going to do anything about it because there's nothing wrong with my wife. And I will not speak of this anymore.
Hey, Kinsley, it was a market over this. It's not fair now.
You're walking out on me up, yeah?
This is the portion I want to build the house. Not too big. I want to do it in memory of my father.
That's good. That's good. What size of house are you looking at?
Just a mini duplex. What do you think?
Yeah. It will accommodate it.
Okay.
It will.
Okay. So I want you to go ahead and draw the plan. So we'll start off.
No problem. How long do you intend to stay in the village?
Not too long. Even if I'm not going to be around when you finish, once you finish, give it to my mother.
No problem, sir. No problem, sir.
She'll send it to me.
No problem, sir. Let me have my way.
Okay. I hope you still have my number.
Yes, sir.
Send me your account number so I can transfer some money to you. Okay. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
How are you?
Amigo. Thank you, man.
Fine. So it's true. Eh? It's true you came to the village without even asking about your second mom.
I am so sorry. I came in late last night, you know. But don't worry, I'll make it up to you.
It's okay. Brother Kingsley, good morning.
Thank you, man.
I'm fine.
Wow, never get right.
Brother Kingsley, you did not buy anything for me. For us.
Even if I didn't buy anything, I'm going to give you money.
Eh?
Buy whatever you want.
Hey! Hey!
Money.
Yes.
For us. No, for me. No, for us. Easy boy.
Hello.
Cake email.
No.
Come on, let's go.
That money is very important. It's for me. It's for us.
Mama, Mama, you can imagine this one has grown so big.
Ha! Here you go.
Wow.
No, I'm going to go. But I don't know. Come inside.
We hope you cooked something. The money is important.
What are you eating?
He said, that his wife did not commit anything. He kept defending her. You know what my son told me this morning? But I should leave them alone. Let them enjoy their lives. Let my son know this morning. That is what he told me. She said, telling me, I know what else do you expect him to say? Hey, that is what he should do. To defend her. Yes. Exactly what Nkenkenyi said. That it is only the concussion that will remove the scale from his eyes. Then he will start to see things the way they are. But before that, everything you are talking, everything you are saying is that. You know that before I do this, I want to see people. Sometimes. This is more trouble you see. I want to close to you. I'm very trying to save my soul. I'm very cautious. That is exactly what you are doing. To save your soul. You need to forget. So long
Hello, baby. How are you? I know you miss me. And I miss you too. Don't worry, by this time tomorrow we're gonna be together in our room, chilling. Yeah, Mama is fine. She just served me one wonderful, delicious meal. Okay. You're good, eh? Yeah. It's okay. I love you.
Hey, what?
Mama? Thank you. Hey. Mama, where are you? Hey, well, hey. I can actually. Hey. Hello? Yes, I am. Yes. See you soon.
Brother Kingsley, good morning.
Oh, good morning.
Is Mama around?
Oh, yes. Yes, she's around.
Okay, my mother asked me to come and see her. I have a message for her.
Okay. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you very much. You know, tell your mother I'll come and say hi in the evening.
But I think so. Bye.
Bye.
You want to marry Ego?
Yes, I want to marry her as soon as possible.
Are you alright?
I'm alright. I love Ego and I want to marry her.
What about Margaret?
You told me she's a witch.
I am surprised about this sudden change. Have you spoken to Ego?
Huh? There's no need doing that since you're very close to the mother. And please, you have to do that fast because I will be going back to the city with her.
What is going on? Why these distinct nightmares? I hope everything is alright. This nightmare is becoming too much.
How come we show you? Look how the gods of our land will bless your marriage. You have male and female children. And you will not lack what you used to train them. And after training them, they will also in turn train you too. So shall it be. Rise. You are.
Come in.
Oh!
Hey.
Your house is open.
Yes, you like what you're saying, right?
Hey! Kingsley. Who is she?
She. Her name is Ego.
What? Your name what? How? When? How?
Hey, I do not have that time to start explaining to you how I got married to my wife. Okay? All I want you to do now is go in there, pack your things and move to the guest room.
Kingsley, are you alright? Wait, is this a joke?
This is not a joke. Go in there and do what I asked you to do, or I'll do it for you. Did you get that? Come on, dear. Let's go in.
Honey, can't you carry my bag for me?
No, don't mind her, okay?
Oh, yeah, carry it by yourself.
Carry it, come on, let's go. Okay?
Your house is very beautiful.
Right?
Hey.
Because you money day, power enter his brain. Abomination, the power enter his brain. It enter his brain. A blow up one mad man. Abomination. If he marry madu, if he marry madu, look at what you did to her. Just look at what you did to her. Oh, baby, if you ever, I am haunted by love. Love, I am haunted by love. Love, I never knew that love is wicked. I am haunted by love. Love, I am haunted by love. Love, I never knew it will turn out this way. I am haunted by love. Love,
What are you doing here? Have you not caused me enough damage already? There is nothing to talk to me about. You have succeeded in sending my ego to another man, and now she's married to him. Sorry for yourself. Now leave this place before I empty this bucket of water on you.
It wasn't my intention to do all of it to you. But I needed the money to pay my school fees. Ever since my father passed on, I've been the one schooling myself.
What does that got to do with me? What are you talking about?
I'm trying to say it. I was paid to free me.
Paid to frame me. By who?
Sit down.
Thank you.
Before I proceed, I would like to know how the nursing school is going.
It's fine, ma. Just that it has not been easy.
How do you mean it has not been easy? Is it because what they're teaching you people in school is difficult, or that you're not intelligent?
That's not it, ma. Just that since my father died, it has not been easy for me paying my school fees.
You mean to tell me with this beautiful face, this big waist, the key road and Gazode, this full package, you cannot get a man to support you pay your school fees? I feel forever.
Amigo, it's not like that though. End of these days, they'll just use and dump you with unfulfilled promises.
You are right. You are right. Very good. There is no money. Everyone tends to spend wisely. Money. What if I help you out by paying this time school fees for you?
Are you serious?
Does it look like I'm not serious? I'm more than serious.
Amigo, my school fees is very expensive. 80,000 naira.
80,000?
Yes, ma.
No problem. I can sort it out. But you have to do one thing for me.
As long as it does not involve me killing.
Does it look like I will ask you to kill for me? No, I will not do something like that.
I'm just saying, no. So what's it?
My dear, thank you very much for a job well done. I am really impressed by what you did. My daughter has now come back to her senses. Hi! Hi! You really tried. This is your balance, 45,000 euro.
Thank you, ma.
And this one here is for a job well done.
Ha! Mommy, go. Thank you, ma.
Thank you.
Thank
I should
you.
be the one thanking you, not the other way around. Eh?
Mama, I hope it won't backfire.
Nothing is going to backfire. And allow me to worry about that, not you.
Thank you, ma.
It's okay. Don't fail to be visiting me.
About the pregnancy. Leaving you. She's married to another man. Unless she's married. Forgiving you. Forgive you.
But I doubt if that pregnancy is yours.
Why do you have to say that?
Because she can't just take in like that. Except you two have been seeing each other months behind me.
Why are you so wicked and deadly? Hmm? Just because you can behold onto a baby and you've decided to kill and destroy another whom God has destined to give me a child. Why are you like this?
Kingsley, I know that you're not in your right senses now. But listen to me. A guy came here 2 days ago looking for her. I eavesdropped and overheard their conversation. That guy is claiming responsibility over that pregnancy. So I guess they have been seeing each other before you took her away from him.
You've become so jealous that you now engage yourself into some wicked gossip. Too bad. Do you know what? Your gossip will never ever tear my wife and I apart. Fool. Come on, go and get a job. I'll get something doing.